What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing some roof rack crossover bars on my wife's Pilot with an 18 cubic foot Summit Racing cargo container. Let me show you what we got. Alright, so what I bought is some, I think they're called OMAC crossover bars. They do not come assembled, I've already pre-assembled them. Pretty easy, follow instructions. All you need is a 5mm wrench, which is not a 5mm wrench, a 5mm Allen wrench. It is included with the kit, and then you need a pair of scissors to cut and fit the plastic or the rubber lining on the top. Pretty simple. And then of course I bought, like I said, 18 cubic foot Summit Racing cargo container. So this should be pretty simple and straightforward, so let's get into it. Alright, so I've got them on there very loosely right now because I'm not going to tighten anything down until I get the cargo container on. But as you can see, they slip on pretty simply. I mean, as long as you keep them loose, you can tell they wiggle and move up and down. That's the bolt that tightens them down. And it has little locking covers that actually covers this up to prevent people from taking them off in case they decide they get sticky fingers and want to steal them. So let's get the cargo container on, and then we'll get everything tightened down. Alright everybody, so that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple install. I will say, like I said, The Summit Racing cargo container also has a locking. It's got 3 locks on it, or it's got 1 lock, but you can lock out the little clips on the side, prevent for people from getting into it as well. Also comes with this little cool sticker that you put in your windshield. Make sure it reminds whoever's driving the car that there is something on top and it's a lot more taller. But pretty simple install, nothing too complicated. I will say if you do have a ladder, get a ladder. They also need a tape measure. Make sure you measure everything out, make sure it's centered. Or if you want it offset, you can offset it. And also, if you can have an extra set of hands putting the cargo container up there, it would help drastically. I've kind of had a hard time putting that top lid on by myself because, well, it's awkward. It's not technically heavy, it's just really awkward, and holding it up, trying to put that inside pin in that prevents the top from flipping all the way over onto its top is a pain. So if you can get some help, get some help. So that's going to be it for today. I hope you like what you're seeing. Please like, comment, subscribe for more. We'll catch you next time.